Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to mute a TikTok account. If you want to temporarily silence or stop receiving notifications from a specific TikTok account, this guide is for you. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Go to the TikTok account's page that you want to mute. You can do this by searching for the account's username or by clicking on their profile picture or username if you already follow them. Once you're on the account's page, look for the bell icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Tap on the bell icon and a menu will appear with different notification options. From the menu, select None. By doing so, you will mute the notifications from that specific TikTok account. You will no longer receive notifications for their new videos or activity. Muting a TikTok account allows you to take a break from their content or prioritize notifications from other accounts. It's a useful feature to customize your TikTok experience and manage the flow of notifications based on your preferences. Thank you for watching, and enjoy having control over your TikTok notifications.